What's up, guys? Today we're going to talk about what to do if you're having shoulder pain and a couple of quick, easy moves that you can do at home with very little equipment just to get yourself out of pain and to improve your shoulder mobility. So the first move we're going to do is called a pendulum, and all you need is a countertop or a surface that you can lean on. So ideally you're going to want to try and get your back so that it's almost parallel to the ground, and then you're going to let whichever arm is the painful arm hang by your side and use your body to move your arm in different directions. You can go clockwise, you can go counterclockwise, side to side, front and back, whatever feels good. The biggest thing that I see people do that's a big mistake about the pendulum is that they try to make it active and make big shoulder circles using the muscles of the shoulder. The whole purpose of this is just to let the shoulder relax, let gravity pull that ball a little bit out of its socket and provide some relief. If you have trouble lifting your arms all the way up overhead or all the way out to your side, you can try modifying by laying down on the floor because your shoulder blades are supported, so typically you have a little bit more range of motion without pain. So you can try just lifting the arms from here, and just having the shoulder blades supported might give you more range of motion than you have when you're sitting or standing. Or the other option is to take any kind of stick, so you can use a broomstick or whatever, but something where you can use your pain-free arm to help your painful arm move. So let's say my left arm doesn't have pain and my right arm does. I use the stick, actively pulling my left arm up so that my right arm doesn't really have to do any of the work, but it's able to move through that range of motion. And you can do the same thing when you go out to the side. So if out to the side was painful, then you can start here, and you can use your left arm to push the right arm out or to pull the right arm in. So whatever that painful range of motion is, just letting it be passive coming from your painful arm and active coming from the pain-free arm. So the last thing we want to do is wake up those muscles that surround the shoulder blades. So we want to add just gentle movement and something that you could realistically hold for 6 to 10 seconds. So a big mistake when I tell people to do gentle scapular retractions, which is just a fancy word for bringing your shoulder blades together behind you, is they want to go like this, okay? You want to make the move super subtle and realistic. So instead, you just want to gently bring the shoulder blades together and then drive them down a little bit, almost like you're tucking your shoulder blades into your back pocket. So those 3 simple moves should really help just improve some of that baseline shoulder pain and improve some of your discomfort, and maybe give you a little bit more mobility in your shoulder. If you're interested in scheduling a telehealth visit, then contact us with the number below or shoot us an email, and we'd love to help you heal.